Yeah. Die line with the boom pow. Every week now I switch to a new style. 212s in the back just blew out. Everything I do end up in the news now. Yeah.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, as you can see by the title of the video, let there be lights. So we're going to be changing the interior lights of the car. Now you know what it is already. I'll show you here. It is this crappy yellow ones, and you know what it is in my videos. I don't like them. I don't like it is. So you know what already happens to every car in my video. These got to go, and they go every time. So I hate these yellow. Just for future manufacturers, change the lights. People don't want yellow lights. You can't see crap in it. You can't see nothing. Just change them. Just keep them white or different color or something like that. But come on, this cheap yellow naff lights is not going to help no one. Especially if you lose something in the car, you can't see nothing. With the white one, you can see much better. Like it's super bright. But yeah, let's get to it. So today we're going to be changing the lights. Should be fairly simple. Last time I bloody checked, it should just be a case of changing this. But yeah, let's go do it. I think it is the first things first. I think you just like prise it. Oh, you do. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Oh, look. This makes our life even better. Look at this. So this is one here, which we have in here, as you can see. I've done the rear one, obviously you can see because I was in the boot, but yeah, so now it looks quite nice, as you can see by there, the front. But yeah, I bought this to go under the bottom of this steering wheel, so I'll show you how to install that as well. I will leave the link for this in the description down below as well. You can buy different badges, just like gloss black, plain black, matte black. I chose the carbon because I like carbon. Comes with, I think it's 3M tape at the back, so obviously doing it with one hand is difficult, and obviously the badge is like carbon fiber. I thought it would look so good in this car, as obviously goes well with the ST logo on the bottom, so I thought why not get this. Same way, as you can see, obviously the ST got the overhead ST logo there. So we'll be putting it in this little gap here. You have to stick it quite well and obviously push it down just so you can get it stuck properly, but that looks quite good. Like I really like it. Let's see if I can get this stretched a bit. So yeah, it looks quite good. As you can see from here, the ST logo at the bottom and obviously the ST logo in the middle as well. When I get the new lights for the headlights and the rear reversing light and the brakes, I will then do obviously carry on the video. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's short, but obviously it's just to show you changing lights if you need to change them. But yeah, like I said, some people already know how to change it, but I'm just showing you. You can get some good ones and very super bright ones from Auto Beam, which I'll leave a link on the description down below. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell button so you never miss another video of mine. Peace.
Yeah. Die line with the boom pow. Every week now I switch to a new style. 212s in the back just blew out. Everything I do end up in the news now. Yeah.